let's stop recording. Okay students, listen, this is semester 2. Now I'm going to copy this data. Then the next one is accounts. Then is a economics. See, control C, control V, control V, control V. Then again we have same data, control C, control V. Okay, so now if you see 78, 87, 67 or whatever the marks, 69, 79, 85, 64, 55, 87, 99, 45, 63, 45, 78, 45, 23, or let it be 36. Okay, now you see bete, I have created this data, but to make you clear कि today I am going to create the data frame using the CSV file. So what I have done, I just make this data in the Excel. If you see, here is in each column there is a duplicacy except marks only. If you see, this names are repeated in this name column. This is semester 1, then semester 2. Accounts, economics, accounts, economics, that is repeatedly there. Then is the marks. Okay, I am going to save this file. Click on save. So this file I am going to save in the E drive. The name of the file, pivot data. Then extension should be CSV, comma delimited. Then you have to save this file. Then they ask you, you have to press OK. Then yes. So your file is saved as a CSV. So now you can close also. You can press yes, but is already saved. It is replaced now. So let it be replaced. So I'm going to show you. So you see in the E drive a file is there, that is will be this is pivot data. Okay, how you can copy the path? You have to write the proper path for this. So I just select this, just click in the address bar, then you see you have to unselect using the left or right arrow, unselect, then type the name of PI VI. So if you see there is a downward path is there, you just down arrow, then copy the whole, because you have to give appropriate path, then only it will work. Now I am going to start the idle. Let it start. Okay, so control N, new. You can close this shell now. So it is opened. Now you see import pandas as PD. Now let's say df is equal to, okay, to whom I ask, that will tell me what I have to write here to import the CSV. Yes Kumud, tell me.
हाँ जी सर पहले तो सर import
that I already imported, but I want to create the data frame using the CSV. Which function is used to import the CSV? What is the function?
Sir, df is equal to Sir, CSV dot import.
No. Okay, Manyashvir. Manyashvir, I'm asking to you. Manyashvir, give me the answer for this, bete. Speak. Manyashvir, turn on your mic and video. Ripan,
Yes, sir.
what I have to write there?
Uh, DF is equal to
Hmm.
PD dot read
Very good.
underscore CSV
Yes.
and the location of a file in bracket.
Very good. In the single quotes or double quotes.
Yes.
Manyashvir, are you here? Manyashvir, beta, you are turning on your mic and again you turn off. I'm asking you something, please answer that. Are you here? Okay, beta. So, print df. Now, I have to save this file. So, let it be pv1. So, you see your data frame is created. Now, if you see there is a repetition in column, this one in this column, in subject column, okay, there is a both repetitions are there. Now how you can use the pivot method? I'm going to pv is equal to which data frame, हम किस data frame का pivot table बना रहे हैं, we are using this. So what I have to write here, df dot pivot underscore table, then bracket start. Here you have to write index. Index हम किसको यूज करेंगे, name को. So let it be name. Okay, now which values you are going to use here? Say values, let it be say marks, because marks is the only value. Then in this, listen student, in this you can use aggregate function. The third parameter will be the aggregate function. AGGFUNC is equal to, listen to me, if you want to use, suppose if you see this data frame, I want कि subject wise average देखनी है to each student as well as semester wise, means it will display you the average कि what is the average of account and according to the semester. Then I'll use here mean, then print PV. Now if you see, एक ब्लैंक लाइन प्रिंट कर लेते हैं तो इट विल बी मोर क्लियर. So you see दिस इज द नेम एज ए इंडेक्स इज यूजिंग. तो ये जो एवरेज है दैट इज एवरेज ऑफ ईच स्टूडेंट बट सेमेस्टर वाइज, मींस ईच सब्जेक्ट की करके कि सेमेस्टर 1 और सेमेस्टर 2 की ऑटोमेटिकली इट जनरेट द समरी एंड इट डिस्प्ले यू द एवरेज. कि अभिषेक की सेमेस्टर 1 अकाउंट्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स के मार्क्स लगा के एंड अकाउंट्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स मार्क्स ऑफ द अभिषेक इन द सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, देन इट डिस्प्ले यू द एवरेज. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, student, ask me if you have doubt. Yes, bete, tell me. Anybody have any doubt? Wherein Yash?
सर थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ सर, नोट करना है बस.
कर लो.
So can you explain it again?
Yes, bete, no problem. If you see, I have created this data in Excel as I shown you earlier. Then I save the file in using CSV, comma separated values. Then I create the in data frame. Okay, so this is the data frame which I have created using this pd.read_csv function. Then the name of the file. Okay, then in that way I printed the data frame. So data frame is fine, so it is printed. Now if you want to create the data frame, I told you if you have a duplicacy in the each column, if you see this data frame, just to clear, तो इस data frame में देखो there is a duplicate value. Duplicate means name repeatedly, then name repeatedly. Same way semester, but in subject also. Accounts, economics. This is semester 1 में accounts and economics. In this semester 2 account and economics. To just to clear you, now I made this pivot table. If you have a duplicate in multiple column, then we can use the pivot_table method. Then I use this pv is equal to df.pivot_table. Here, whenever you create the pivot table, we have to use a column as an index. Then index is always we are using as a name, because name will be better identifier to each one. So index is equal to name I have given. Then as a value, value means I want to aggregate function. Obvious, if you see this, there is a only that can be calculated, that is marks. Okay, so that's why I have using marks, because I want to calculate the average. तो average means मुझे mark की value use करनी पड़ेगी. So that's why I have given values is equal to marks. Then is the aggregate function is equal to mean. Then I printed this. Then you see the output of this. ठीक है, तो अब output आ कैसे रही है, I just tell you. If you see this, accounts economics means these we have the data of these 4 students. Okay, in 4 student के semester 1 के marks in accounts and these 4 student semester 1 marks of economics. Same way again they repeatedly names, but this time semester changed, semester 2 semester 1. तो accordingly this accounts के first semester के marks हर एक student के and second के, तो वो average निकालेगा. मतलब accounts इसके account और economics दोनों subject मिला के this is the average which is going to display you. Now is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. हाँ वेरन, कोई डाउट?
नो सर, क्लियर.
Clear. So देखो बेटे, in this you can use column also. For example, aggregate function is there, but I want to use column. So you can use column also. Columns is equal to subject. Columns is equal to subject. Now aggregate function will be the mean. Okay, एक मिनट इसको मैं किल कर रहा हूं, because previous output रह जाती है. So just to clear you, F5. Now you see this is the subject wise. ठीक है, accounts this is the subject wise average. Am I clear to you? Okay, so this is the subject wise average. What I use here, I just give you the index name, column subject, then aggregate function is mean. That's it. Then here bete you can use 2 column as an index also. In this, let's say I'm using, if you see this output, this name is treated as an index, but I want ki name and subject both should be treated as the index. For that you can give index, that one is the name, and comma, second one let's say subject. Subject to the honest, yes. So let's say subject will be as an index also, but columns भी as a subject to use करना. Okay, I want to see the columns also. Means column will be the subject only. Means it will show you that, but I'm using the both column as an index also. कि one is a name, one is a subject. So just see the output. यार ये kill करना भूल जाता हूँ हमेशा. Now you see. ये देखो. So this is now shown to you. Am I clear?
सर अगर अकेला वहाँ पर पाइवर्ड लिखेंगे फिर एरर आ जाएगा सर.
क्या बेटे?
अगर पाइवर्ड अंडरस्कोर टेबल की जगह अकेला पाइवर्ड लिखेंगे तो एरर आ जाएगा.
अभी दिखा देता हूँ, अभी दिखा रहा हूँ. देखो, data frame was fine, that is printed, and in this it is showing you the error. Why? And एक तो keyword argument that I told you, then one is a duplicacy is also there. Okay, so same error is printed in your this one. I shown you earlier also. If you see, this is, देखो, trackball most recent call last, same as the error which is going to displayed here. You see, most recent call last. Okay, यश क्लियर बेटे?
यस सर.
ओके,
मतलब सर सिंपल पाइवर्ड में आर्गुमेंट नहीं चलता.
आर्गुमेंट भी नहीं चलता और डुप्लीकेसी भी ये वो कंसिडर नहीं करता. इट विल बी इन द वन कॉलम, दैट्स फाइन, बट इट इज मोर देन वन कॉलम, देन इट विल नॉट वर्क, एंड वी कैन नॉट यूज द आर्गुमेंट फंक्शन देयर. नाउ यू सी, अगर मैं इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई एम राइटिंग हियर, लेट्स से प्रीवियस ही करता हूं मैं. वेट अ मिनट. So only name as an index. आप argument function count भी use कर सकते हो. count is to count the number of values, that's it, और कुछ नहीं. So you see, हर एक के पास दो वैल्यूज ही है ना, कि अकाउंट्स ट्वाइस है, इकोनॉमिक्स ट्वाइस है, मतलब हर एक बच्चे के पास दो सब्जेक्ट ही थे. So if you see the data, देखो, accounts C Joseph, then accounts C Joseph, means the one semester, second semester. Same way, हर एक के दो वैल्यूज उसमें डिस्प्ले कर दी. This is called count function in the pivot. हाँ जी बेटे, क्लियर है? Yes students, clear?
यस सर.
ओके.
वो स्क्रीन फिर से ब्लर हो गई सर.
यार तेरा नेटवर्क इशू है वरेन, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, औरों को तो दिख रही है. ऑल आर, इट इज विजिबल टू अदर्स.
सर अब ठीक है सर.
योर नेटवर्क इशू बेटे, व्हेन इट गोज डाउन दैट्स व्हाई इट मे बी बिट ब्लर. ओके
ओके.
हां, कुमोद, इट इज क्लियर टू यू?
हाँ जी सर.
जुजार, इट इज क्लियर टू यू? जुजार, Jujar, are you getting me?
Yes sir.
It is clear, bete? Tell me. Okay, so this is all in pivot. Pivot part is finished here. Okay, so pivot table is finished here. Pivot and pivot underscore table, both are the method, and what is the difference I made you clear. So in that way you can use the pivot, but yaad rakhna the question can come to like this कि it simply put it in the dash form also. I just tell you how. Suppose if you written कि index में it leave dash like this, कि what will be the argument here, then in aggregate function let it be कि they want to count the average, how they can use in that way also come. Or it can become कि table is given to you and it simply asks you want to create the pivot table, and the name will be the key they want to use this as an index, and let it be column this, and argument function will be this. Okay, or it can be asked key if this if I use pivot method then why it is not working. If you see the data, if you see, you can say that there is duplicacy. So in that way the tricky question can be asked to you, but maximum 1 or 2 marks, not more than that. ठीक है, तो at least it should be in your mind. ये बहुत आता है बेटे, this one CSV method, please keep it in mind. One is a full form कि what defines कि expand CSV, comma separated values. Then is a they will ask you कि what is the function to import. Just simply ask you कि Karan want to create a data frame by using this file pd dot whatever abc.csv. What is the code line for the same? Then you will write here df import pandas as pd, df is equal to pd.read underscore csv, then abc.csv. This will be the code line and you will get 1 marks for that. So in that way the question will come to you in your exam. But I told you कि IP में कभी भी question lengthy नहीं आता. It never put you the lengthy question. It will ask you on the behalf of the table, on the behalf of the simple line code. Suppose a data frame is given to you, then they will ask you first of all create the data frame. They want to do the sum of the particular column, then you remind that which function is used to calculate the sum. For example, I just write here, let's say one question is there कि what is the function to calculate the sum of the column math. Say then how you will write df maths. To calculate the sum function will be used. So this should be in your mind. This will be the code line. We are not using यहाँ पे मैं comma बोल गया, तो you see. So this is the code line and you will get the marks for that. Suppose they are asking you कि they want to do the average for this. तो average के लिए आपको पता है you have to use the mean function. Okay, तो axis का आपको ध्यान में रखना होता है कि axis 1 column wise, axis 2 axis 0 row wise, that will be by default. So in that way 1 marks question will come to you, and that will be also coming to you how to insert the rows column. ये बहुत आते हैं. If you see the previous sample paper, the questions are related to that. How to insert the row, how to insert the column in the data frame, how to rename the column of the data frame. Please keep it in mind. Okay, so in that way the question will be formed to you. So that's all for this pivot table. So next में बेटे आपको जो tomorrow commerce student you have a class or you are
कल कौन से टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से सर क्लास लगेगी सर?
what
तो कल कौन से टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से कंप्यूटर की क्लास लगेगी? सबके
you medical student you have class tomorrow in this time?
Yes, sir. So I have 9, so we have a live class of IT.
No. Commerce student, what is your timetable?
सर मेडिकल की तो है सर थर्सडे को 9 बजे क्लास.
And commerce is not there, है ना?
कॉमर्स है. ऐसा कर कॉमर्स की कोई और सब्जेक्ट की क्लास है शायद.
Commerce, Ripan or Manveer, better tell me tomorrow you have class? Simar, tell me बच्चे.
No sir. No
कॉमर्स
sir.
के टाइम टेबल में सिर्फ मंडे, वेडनेसडे और फ्राइडे लिखा हुआ था तो आईपी की क्लास.
in your
Thursday दिखाने
timetable
वाला
is Monday, Friday